Officer Patino with the Orlando Police Department. There is some, you have your driver's license with you?
Yeah, I was
cool.
speed.
No. Oh. Are you the owner of the vehicle?
No, sir.
Who's the owner of the vehicle?
Okay.
Do you have any weapons in the vehicle I should know about? You got any weapons in the vehicle I should know about?
No.
Okay. You mind lowering the window for him, too?
Sure, let me call you right back.
Alright. You have the registration insurance with you?
Yes.
Hey, what are you doing?
I got it.
Oh, okay.
I call him.
Hey, I just got stopped in your car and police said the registration of something is bad.
Huh?
The registration of something is bad, he said.
My registration is bad?
That's what he said.
Yeah, this is old anyway. This one expired in 2018.
He said your registration expired in 2018.
This one does. One of the tags different.
Oh. Hello?
Delta.
He said your registration expired in 2018.
Yeah, there's the right one. That's the good one right there. But no, the reason we're stopping is because when we run the tag, we take this one back. The registrar comes back to having many suspension on our license. Okay?
Oh, he said you got many suspension on your license.
I got many suspensions on my license.
That's what he said.
Probably about 7, right?
He said about 7.
7?
That's what he said. I'm sitting right here with it.
I hear him.
Yeah. I ain't even made it home from work yet. I just got stopped.
Oh, wow. Well, I have to take care of that in the morning. You won't get a ticket.
I hope not. I guess, my license is my way of living. I got a CDL.
I know. Did he say you'll get a ticket?
I don't know. I'm sitting right
You're not going to get a ticket because your license not, unless it's suspended. Is your license suspended too?
Heck no, I live off my license. I got a CDL.
That's all good, so I'm just checking. So you're not going to get a ticket on that.
Oh, okay.
Just checking you have a good driver's license.
Yes, sir. I got a good
We'll go from there.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm telling you. I'm right here by the
My registration is not good since 2018?
No, registration's good.
Oh, he said your registration good.
The first one you had me was expired.
The first one I gave him was expired.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm just coming in from Winter Garden now. I'm just on my way in. And I got stopped. I'm trying to figure out what in the world I did. Hey, let me call you right back. Let me call my probation officer, let him know I got stopped.
Okay.
So you don't gotta let them know. It's not like it doesn't matter right now.
Oh, okay.
All right,
Just making sure, man. I'm just trying to get on for work, sir.
No, you're good. All right, good. So I'm gonna be honest with you. All right.
Yes, sir.
Make sure to be honest with me. All right. I smell the odor of marijuana coming from within the vehicle. All right. So let me finish though.
Okay.
All right. Is there anything in the vehicle I should know about?
No, my brother smokes, and I was just around him.
All right. Cool. So you mind stepping out for me?
Yeah, let me call my
No,
probation
just step.
officer.
You don't have to right now. It's all good. Just step out for me.
I really don't want to step out, man, because then that means I'm.
No, that means I'm going to search you. No. Stop.
Okay.
Right now you're going to listen.
All right.
All right. Step on out.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Let me see that hand. Spread your stance out. Do you have anything sharp in your pockets? Any weapons? You're going to find them.
Okay. I don't smoke, man.
Just warn me.
Okay.
I'm asking if you have weapons.
No, I don't have any weapons.
What is it, July 5-1? What is the problem with 5-2? What are you on probation for?
I'm on federal probation, man.
For what?
Drug conspiracy.
Okay. What are you doing now? Where are you working?
I work with Florida Site Services. I'm just coming from work in Winter Garden.
Have a seat on that black bumper.
You want to check it? That's fine. Sergeant. Oh, your license is good at least. So we got it now.
But if I get pulled over, man, that's an automatic.
No, but why? Automatic what?
I'm getting pulled over.
You're right, but you're not doing anything wrong, right?
No.
All right, so you're good.
I wonder why I'm getting pulled over.
Well, we told you the reason why we're pulling you over, because the owner of the vehicle doesn't have a valid driver's license, right? And then, all right, one time.
My brother smoked, man. I
Okay, I got you. Cool.
Smoke,
That's
man.
fine. So, like I'm saying, so you should be good, right?
Yeah.
All right, so relax.
Yeah, man.
Relax. So same thing. While talking to you, that's when the whole odor marijuana came out. I'm like, all right, just gotta make sure you have a good driver license. Go on your way. But now I gotta verify. Okay, so perfect.
My brother smoked, man, and I just
Smoke
him around.
Gotcha. And what do you work at?
For the site services.
Okay. You drive the trucks?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You just got off of work?
Huh?
You just got off of work?
Just got off, man.
And who's the owner? You said your sister or wife? Or?
Yeah, I just called. That was who I was talking to.
Wife, sister?
No, girlfriend.
Girlfriend. Okay, cool. Gotcha. Just make sure that they're not to drive, guys. Her license expired.
Yeah. She know now.
Yep.
She got me get caught up in the cross of this crap.
Gotcha. Well, like I said, look, you're not in any trouble right now. As of right now, there's nothing.
Probation officer know I got stopped, man. That's good. I still got to call in. I'm gonna have to go in.
Why? I want to know this. Why? You didn't do anything wrong. So why?
But anytime
I'm not taking you to jail, right?
Yeah, anytime you get pulled over, it's still a probable cause.
Well, that's for what? Just so you know, a trafficking infraction, it has nothing to do criminally. It's not a criminal infraction. Criminal will be if there's drugs, if there's something else, it's criminal, correct. A traffic infraction, it's not criminal. It's just a ticket, let's say. And you're not going to get a ticket, I'm telling you. You're not going to get a ticket, I'm telling you. I already told you like 2 times. You're not, you're good on that. I'm saying. Just got to verify, make sure it's good. The car, there's no drugs, and then you're good. Yeah. And this is your current address too?
Yes.
In Winter Springs?
Yes.
Okay. How long you been working here?
2 years.
2 years?
Yes, sir.
Why were you nervous when we pulled you over?
I wasn't nervous.
You were shaking, man.
Listen, I don't do nothing, man. I ain't planning on getting pulled. I'm just coming home from work.
Yeah.
And I know I wasn't speeding. So
Yeah, you weren't.
why am I being pulled? What's the probable cause?
You weren't.
You know what I mean? I just wondering why you pulling me over.
I guess.
That's all I'm wondering. There ain't no big deal, but I'm just saying. I'm just telling you, if I get pulled over, I gotta go call my probation officer. Tomorrow they're gonna make me come in.
That's good.
It's federal probation. It's not.
Okay, I'll verify that for you, but
Probation.
I'm sure you'll be fine. It's not. You didn't do anything bad. It's not criminal. So I'm trying to explain to you. It's just like if you were speeding. So if you were speeding, you have to call your probation officer too for speeding, even though it's just a criminal. It's not criminal. It's just
I don't know. I ain't never had
traffic. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. I'm sure it's criminal stuff. Yeah, it's like you say if some type of crime was committed, correct. This is not a crime. It's an infraction.
I'm cool, man.
So just relax. You're good, man.
I'm cool. But I'm telling you, my brother smoked. I just come from around my brother. He smoked.
Okay.
That's the problem.
Gotcha. Just make sure, I don't know if she smokes too or he, but just so you know, every time you get back in that car and somebody pulls you over for whatever reason it is, you're gonna do the same thing we're doing right now.
Yeah,
it's because that strong,
it's not my car.
you know, that odor's coming out.
I have a truck.
Gotcha. So what I would do is either spray a lot, air it out, or let them know, hey, you know what, we can't be smoking.
Well, she just gave it to me, so
Okay.
I just swapped out with her and I'm headed on in.
Gotcha.
If you fight, I'm gonna beat the shit out of you. Turn around.
Come here, brother.
Have a seat. Want to talk about what's in the car?
Sir, I just swapped cars. I'm on my way to that. That is not my car. I have a black Ford truck. I just swapped the car, and I just.
You got anything else on you?
No.
Come back here. Go look at that backpack. Go look at that backpack.
Ooh, Jesus. Jesus.
4 kilos?
Yep.
I
wonder he's so nervous. I'm literally telling him why he's so nervous.
Dude. Bravo 5-2. Good. I Actually, Bravo 52 to Bravo 50. Bravo 52 to Bravo 50. Sarge.
Bravo 50.
Double.
Car north.
52 to 50. Can you be 51 to my traffic stop, sir?
Patrol north. West for Golf 10 at 3137 Fitzgerald. Signal 13, 1033 Emergency West. Of course, any else you just have to send in a bus.
Purple and blue.
926, he says, stand by for Foxtrot 17 24.
What is the Charlie 19? 10-4.
1093.
1054.
Bravo 52, can I get Johnson's flatbed, please?
10-4. Charlie 19.
60, 81, 24, 60, 82, 24, 60, 83, 24,
100 Bozar Drive, 00 Bozar.
400,
6 million fish, 2 on bail, 95 cars.
47, 24, 60, 88, 40, 60, 89, 24, 60, 10, that's 1,000. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 1,400.
Fight, I'm gonna beat the shit out of you. Turn around.